Hey y'all, so we're having a cookout tomorrow at work and I wanted to take my corn dip, so let's get to it. If you've never seen my corn dip before, it is absolutely delicious. You start off with shredding you some cheddar cheese. I get the sharp cheddar cheese, great value to me, is the best kind, but it is going to be better if you shred it yourself instead of using the bag kind. I've done both, but it's just better if you shred it yourself. You're going to need the whole block. You're going to start with 3 cans of Mexicorn drained. Mine's over here by the sink. This is the kind I like to get. It's the Green Giant Steam Crisp Mexicorn. I've already drained them. And then you're going to need 8 ounces of sour cream. I measure with my heart. Now you're going to need 8 ounces of mayonnaise. I rinsed my spoon off because I just opened this mayonnaise and I didn't want to get sour cream in it. Again, I'm just measuring with my heart. Good enough for me. Let me rinse my spoon off again. I like the Mount Olive diced jalapenos. That's the one I want to use. This is a 12-ounce jar. So I'm going to say I'm going to use, I don't know, I'm going to probably use 6 to 8 ounces of diced jalapenos. If you get a little bit of the juice, it's fine. I wouldn't get too much. That's what we're looking like so far, but we're not done. The original recipe, you sprinkle a little bit of cayenne pepper on it. But now that I have Hal's Cajun Waltz, I have switched it to this Cajun seasoning. So you're going to sprinkle a fair amount of that. If you're using cayenne, don't do too much. Because this is going to sit in the refrigerator overnight and that cayenne pepper gets hotter as it sits. I'm also going to add tahini. This is like it's hard to even describe it, but it has like a little bit of a lime flavor and it works really well in this corn dip. I'm going to stir it up and then we're going to add the cheese. By the way, the cheese is what makes this corn dip. This is what it looks like without the cheese. You need to add the cheese. Every last drop. And then stir it up again. That's what we're looking like. I am going to go ahead and give it a taste test tonight. But if it tastes a little bland or like it's not come together flavor-wise, that's okay. Please do expect that. Wait a few hours, taste it, and then if it needs something, add something, but it's not going to. It's so good, y'all. And summer's coming up before we know it. We're gonna be sitting out there by that pool, eating some corn dip. That's a winner. And like I said, now that it's ready, I'm just gonna transfer it into another bowl. I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit of the seasonings on top. Let me show you. Taste it one more time just to make sure before I put the seasonings on top. Got a bowl with a lid. I'm just going to sprinkle a little more Cajun Waltz over the top and a little more tahini over the top. We have some beautiful corn dip ready for the work party tomorrow. And it's going to taste so much better tomorrow than it did today. Serve it with Frito scoops. I love you. Stay classy.